Hey guys, so welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change Fortnite controller settings on a PC. So guys, first thing that you will do is just go on the top right corner, your profile, and then from there, gonna go to the settings down below guys, and after that, click on settings. And from here, guys, you will have here multiple options on the top of your screen. You will have an option on the controller to turn on the vibration and to turn it off. And then you will also have an option down below to change the sensitivity of the look and change the aim sensitivity as well. And when we move on to the next icon over here, the controller mapping, you will have here multiple options to change each button action. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.